Quant helps you track, manage and collaborate on all your design versions and directions, syncing every atomic element across different tools, and visualize the entire design process. In this example project, I'll use Adobe Illustrator and Figma to show you how powerful Quant integration can be. I will create some vector icons in Adobe Illustrator and upload them to the Quant cloud. Now we can go to Figma and open the Quant integration panel there. We choose the newly created project from the drop-down and can see a list of all the assets we've prepared in Adobe Illustrator. It's easy to insert any asset into a Figma project. All you have to do is drag and drop it into place. If you have a lot of assets, you can search them by name. I want to create another variation of the icons in a different color. To do this, I'm going back to Adobe Illustrator. There, I'll create a new branch and give it a name. Then I'll choose a color for easier identification. Now that I'm on a new branch, I'm working on updating the icons. I will make a blue duotone variant of all the icons and upload them to the cloud. If you want to try a new color variation of the icons, just select a different branch in Figma and all used assets will be automatically replaced with the variant from the other branch. I'll make another branch for the new asset variation, and see how it fits into the Figma project. I can experiment with different variations, trying out new ideas and approaches, on separate branches. Now I'll start making changes to the shape of several icons on the main branch. Once I'm done with that, I'll upload those changes to the cloud. To use this new version of assets from the main branch, I have a one-click sync feature available. If you want a new shape of icons on other branches as well, merging those branches will accomplish your goal. With this powerful automatic merge of two design branches, the icons will get a new shape and retain their defined colors.